from the inside, my nails are ready to get paintified. Yes, they are for the max and everything. And I don't know if you've known, on Netflix, one of the top movies to do with like demon hunters, and oh my gosh, the hype is real. Yes, that movie. Oh my gosh. I thought when I first heard about it, it was maybe a TV show, and I thought it would be very cool as a TV show, but no, it was a movie. But it's like one of the top movies of Netflix, and oh my gosh, it's been ringing in my head. I've been hearing the music coming on people's feeds, on different people on Spotify playing it in their own way as they do a cover of it. Oh my gosh, every time I hear it, it's like hearing those, especially all the songs that are from the girl band. Those songs I really like, really up the, oh my gosh. Yes, I know. And that movie is just, and the soundtrack is just, oh, it makes my insides tingle. And speaking of that, insides tingling, I was thinking of doing some nails. Yes, nails on these bad boys of it all. Like, oh my gosh, are these nails going to be awesome? And all of these ideas, I'm going to do it in my maxi way of doing it. Like this one here, where there's a moon. I was thinking I'd add the moon in there somehow, because that seemed very interesting. This one just has some of the light, different colors, pink, purple, the purple to pink vibes and everything. As you can see with all these little clips and everything and all that. And this one's very light color, so I might go on the light tone for one nail, maybe darker on the other, because I am thinking of getting one with the demon side and one with the hunter's side. And this is one of the guys that's from the demon side, so I probably might incorporate those the markings. And then this is like the evil guy down deep. And I don't know if I should add something like that on the evil nails in a way. But yeah, all the colors and all the awesomeness is just very, very cool. And I just love it to high heavens for sure. All those little things. So yeah, I could do like, on the one guys are going to see, I'm going to do like the hunter side more so, the moon, do some of the gold, because that's one of their songs. It's to do with like their background and stuff like that. And then these are the demon side, more spookiness, even though they come into it as well. Oh my gosh, it's just awesome. So if you haven't seen the movie, I recommend if it's something you'd like to see, or if you like epicness. Granted, it's like you might not think like, I'm not sure, but oh my gosh, I do like anime. But I don't like all anime. I do like epic anime stuff like this, and this was great tunes. So, speaking of the colors, these are a couple of the ones I was thinking of using. This purple, because it goes along, and then some of this for maybe the moon or something. But I'm definitely going to mix in some colors that aren't like too sparkly, so I can have a contrast of sparkle and non-sparkle, because I don't want full sparkle. I almost could go full sparkle, but I want a little bit of the subduedness to go with the bam. The bam of it all. So with the bam of it all, getting these ideas onto my nails, let's get to it and conquer it now as we conquer the demons. And here with the main base color of my main nails of this. And as you can see, I decided to do it as a French. We'll see if the second coat will make it less see-through, because it's not. But then with that, we're now going to the accent now, which I decided to do with the gold Sunshine Crush of it all. Yes, I thought that would look really nice. And with the accent, I thought I'd do that with as a full-on color with it. I just thought that was a little different. I like to do that sometimes, do all of them similar, and then maybe the accent will be different like this. It is very pow to pow. And here is this color I thought that I'm using for the other hand of mine. This one, Moonlight Rodeo, I think it's called. And I'm doing it on my thumb. So I thought I'd show it off on my long thumb of it all, as I love this color that I got recently. Love it. And it goes great with my look to the purple, to the pink, or gold, I mean. And here we are putting the second coats on. But as you can see, it's still see-through. So I want to do something about that. At least from my opinion, it's too see-through for me. It would depend on what you want. But as for that, I'm doing another color that's similar, but from W7 instead. I thought this one would have more pigment. And yes, it does definitely have more pigment. I did wait for the 2 coats to dry well, so I wasn't putting it on too wet, even though this is like a 3rd coat of polish, but that's okay. I do think that's better, even though it's more of the blues, but it does bring some good colors for what I'm doing. And what I wanted to do something interesting with the accent. I thought I'd do the swishy swish stuff that I like to do, showing off like the brush strokes of the brush itself. And I'm bringing some of the side colors, even though those were more subdued. And I'm bringing some of the dark colors from the other nail. And if you saw, that one was a little too much. So I made sure to move it before it fully dried, so it would be more brush strokey looking. And bringing in more of that awesome purple and everything as best I can. And as I thought the gold was getting too covered up, I thought I'd put a little bit of that on top, because I sometimes like to do that with the base color and bring it back in if I put too much of the other colors on this. And yes, I'm using my nice line brush. And this is to bring in the markings. And I thought for these nails, I'd bring more of the gold to kind of tie them together. So the markings in this are made in gold. And I'm trying to go different directions. It's not just like animal stripes fully, because they kind of go different sizes, different lengths. So I tried to go this way, that way, making them look interesting in their way. So there is that, showing off that awesome gold. Love using that gold for lines. And bringing in the moon, I thought I'd do it with some gems, because I got some of these moon ones. So that's what I'm doing as I brush on some of this awesome glue that I love, love, love. My Superdrugs glue. It's my favorite glue I've ever used. So yeah, the accent nail is the one getting the gem. I always knew I was going to do something crazy like that on the accent. So for this, I'm doing the moon. And as I did for the other one, which was a snake on my accent nail, that's the same, but in a darker way, I wanted to put in the 2 moons so it went more on the nail like that did. And there we go with that. So of course, I got to get my thick glossy top coat to hold in that look from the French with the markings of it all. That's right. And of course, I gotta put a thick glossy top coat on top of my moons to hold them all in and make them even more shiny. Oh yes, shiny. And bam! I'm ready to conquer it all. Demons and everything. And to conquer all of that dryness with nice lotion of it all. Yes, that's right. Lotion of it all. Looking nice. And with that lotion in my Maxi Max of a way, yes, being 2 different but the same nails. That's right. The dark side and the light side, if I say so myself. But with all of that and feeling it to the max and everything, if you enjoyed this, look forward to the next. Well, on that awesome note, being my max of a way, I will see you in the next time.